Okay, so we already reached the fifth video. Okay, so the last video, part 4, we discuss on the save file. So we have this function that save all the information. So basically we have two only information at this moment. We have a game score and hero level. Right, so once we have saved the file, that how we want to load. So we create another function for load. Okay, so we have public void, didn't return anything, load. Okay, oh, not this one. Okay, okay, first we need to check if, let's say, the file is exist or not. Okay, so we put a condition there. So if, okay, so we want to check whether the file exists. Okay, which file exists is exactly same of this one. Just copy. Okay, if this file exists, then you can do something. So first thing, you want to toggle this boolean. See, okay, now the file is exists, so you have the file. So has file equal to true. So else, if let's say you cannot find the file, then this one will become false. Okay, I think this one we should share it over false first. Okay, right, so what we need to do when you have the file, okay, we need to get the binary formatter again. Copy this one, put this one below. Okay, first get the binary formatter. Okay, and then open the file. So I just copy this one, then modify afterward. Okay, now this is file create, but what we need, this is file. Open the file. Okay, open the file with another parameter. We need the file mode. So file mode open. Okay, so we need file, open the file, what is the file name and the mode. Okay, so while we have that, then we want to deserialize the data. So save file is the format that we use here. Okay, data equal to format save file, save file binary formatter dot deserialize. Okay, then file. Okay, during save we serialize it. Okay, and then load when deserialize again. Then after use, then of course we close back the file. Okay, now we want to assign this game level, game score and game level, hero level. Okay, so game score equal to data dot game score. Okay, now we get the value. Previously we force the value in. Okay, now we get the value. So hero level equal to data dot hero level. Okay. Right, okay, then we have that. So just debug, just to indicate that we have loaded the value. So Okay, so that basically it. Let's load function. So when we want to call this function, okay, the first thing we want to call the function is, remember that we have created the main menu. Once we load, we want to load the game instead of play. If let's say play, this start away from 0, but load, you want to the last save game. Okay, last status of the game. Alright, so this one we handle that function is discrete. Okay, UI handler. So I open the UI handler. Now we left this one dot button, nothing there yet. Okay, what you want to do, when we click that one, so we want to call the load function. So we have game manager dot instance. Okay, we can call it game instance dot load. Alright, so once you load, then you straight away go to in-game scene, or I can just play button click also can, or I can straight away go to the scene, same thing. Okay, once load, then here compared to here, we is not loaded, we straight away go to the game scene, but here we load the information first and then we go to game scene, or we can call the function. Right, so once inside the game, okay, inside the remember that during this load function that we set the save file equal to true. Okay, I have not. Okay, let's this one trigger was away as false. Okay, so without this function, this has file will always be false. So inside the in-game menu, so let's call it inside in-game in-game scene. Okay, so inside here, okay, that handle this score is spawner UI. Okay, in the spawner UI, so every time you start, you check whether has save file is true or false first. Okay, so at start I check here if, okay, I want to check the condition, the file is exist or not. Okay, if game manager dot instance dot has save file. Okay, remember that if let's say we load, this one become true, and then if let's say they have file, then it become true. Then we update the score, so the score will equal to game manager dot instance dot game score. Okay, now the score is not start array from 0. Okay, so that's the level, so level equal to game manager, oops, sorry, game manager dot instance dot hero level. Okay, so if let's say you don't have the information, then if let's say has 5 false, then you straight away score equal to 0, and then level equal to, okay, right, so you can see that. So now based on this one, if let's say you have load file, you will load the last score and last level. But if let's say you don't have file, or you skip the load, which is you straight away play, you don't have the information stuff. Okay, okay, so let's test this one. So we have this one only. Right, start with load again the scene main menu. Okay, so now I start. Okay, now I click play. You see score 0 and level is 1. So let's play this one. So shoot 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. now I have level 2. Then score, let's say I increase to 7, then I stop the game. Okay, when I play the game, so instead of using the play, I load. You can see here straight away go 7, then level 2. Okay, so that's basically we successfully load the information. So compared to if let's say we click here and then we didn't click load, but we straight away play and start from 0 and 1 back. Alright, so I hope you understand this how to load and save and load function. Okay, so that's all. Thank you very much.